there. Do you know this is the stop for the number 12 bus?
Yes, it is. You're in the right place.
Oh, good. I'm always a bit nervous when I'm taking a new route.
I know what you mean. It can be confusing sometimes. Are you new to the area?
Not exactly new, but I don't usually take the bus this way. My car broke down, actually.
Oh no, that's never fun. Is it something serious?
I hope not. The mechanic is looking at it now. Fingers crossed, it's just a quick fix.
Fingers crossed indeed. So, where are you headed on the number 12?
I'm going to the university. I have a class this afternoon.
Oh, really? Me too. I'm a student there.
What a coincidence. What are you studying?
I'm studying history. What about you?
I'm in literature. It's my favorite subject.
Literature is great. I enjoy reading, but history is my passion.
That's cool. I find history fascinating, but all the dates can be hard to remember.
True, there are a lot of dates, but it's more about understanding the stories behind them, I think.
That's a good way to look at it. So, how long have you been at the university?
This is my 3rd year. How about you?
This is my 2nd. It's going by so fast.
I know. It feels like just yesterday I was starting my 1st year.
Right? Time flies when you're busy.
Definitely. Do you live on campus or do you commute?
I live off campus, a little further down this road. That's why I usually drive.
I live off campus too. It's nice to have a bit of distance from all the hustle and bustle.
I agree. It's good to have a quiet place to go home to.
Exactly. Hey, I'm Mark, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Mark. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So, what's your favorite thing about studying literature?
I love discovering new authors and getting lost in different worlds. And discussing ideas with my classmates is really interesting.
That sounds great. I like the discussions in my history classes too. It's good to hear different perspectives.
Absolutely. It helps you think more deeply about things.
Definitely. Do you have any favorite authors right now?
Oh, that's a tough question. There are so many. I'm really into Gabriel Garcia Marquez at the moment.
I've heard of him. He wrote 100 Years of Solitude, right?
That's the one. It's a beautiful book. Have you read it?
Not yet, but it's on my list. My reading list is always growing.
Mine too. It's a good problem to have, I guess.
I think so. So, besides studying, what do you like to do for fun?
I really enjoy hiking. There are some great trails around here.
Oh, me too. I love being outdoors. Have you been to the trails by the river?
Yes, they're beautiful, especially in the autumn.
I agree. The colors are amazing. Do you have a favorite season?
I think autumn is probably my favorite. The weather is perfect for hiking.
Mine too. Not too hot, not too cold, just right.
Exactly. What about you? Any other hobbies?
I play a bit of guitar. Nothing professional, just for fun.
Oh, that's cool. Do you play in a band?
No, just by myself or sometimes with a few friends. We just jam.
That sounds like fun. I wish I could play an instrument.
It's never too late to learn.
Maybe you're right. I've always wanted to try the piano.
Piano is a great choice, very versatile.
I'll keep that in mind. Do you watch many movies or TV shows?
I do, when I have time. I'm a big fan of documentaries.
Oh, interesting. Any good ones you've seen lately?
I just watched one about ancient civilizations. It was really well made.
That sounds right up your alley, being a history student.
It was. What kind of movies do you like?
I like a bit of everything, but I'm a sucker for a good romantic comedy.
Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you just need something light and fun.
Exactly, or a really good drama. Something that makes you think.
I agree. A good story is a good story.
Speaking of stories, what kind of books do you usually read for pleasure, outside of history?
I actually really enjoy historical fiction. It's a nice way to combine my interests.
That makes perfect sense. Any recommendations?
There's a great author named Ken Follett. His books are really immersive.
I'll have to check him out. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. So, do you have any plans for the upcoming break?
I'm hoping to visit my family. They live a few hours away.
That sounds nice. I'm planning to catch up on some reading and maybe do some hiking.
A relaxing break is always good.
Definitely. Do you have any travel dreams, like a place you'd really love to visit?
Oh, absolutely. I've always wanted to go to Italy, see the history, eat the food.
Italy would be amazing. The food, the art, the architecture.
Right? It just looks so beautiful. What about you?
I'd love to visit Egypt to see the pyramids and learn more about that ancient civilization.
Wow, that would be incredible. A real history adventure.
Definitely. It's on my bucket list.
Mine too for Italy. We should compare notes if we ever make it.
We should. It would be fun.
Oh, I think that might be our bus.
Looks like it. Good timing.
Perfect. It was really nice talking to you, Mark.
You too, Sarah. It was a pleasure.
Maybe we'll see each other on campus sometime.
I hope so. Good luck with your class.
Thanks, you too. Have a good afternoon.
You too.